So I welcome you to this lesson where I will provide solution to these questions. So on today's lesson, our main focus is on vectors. So now you can see that we have question 1, we also have question 2. Okay, so question 1, it's coming from vectors, in particular position vectors. So when we are talking about position vectors, these are vectors that start from the origin. So question 1, it reads, the points P and Q have the coordinates 2, 4 and negative 3, 1 respectively. Express vector PQ as a column vector. So here we can see that this PQ, we have two coordinates. You can see that we have point P, which is 2, 3. Now we should know that vectors always they are expressed in column form, not in coordinate form. So this one, to express this one as a column vector, I should say that since we are talking about position vectors, we are vectors that are starting from the origin. We assume that this vector P is starting from the origin, so we'll say that vector OP is equal to, now let us convert this one 2, 4 in column form, which is 2, 4 like this. Okay, we also have another one, vector point Q, which is negative 3, 1 like this. Okay, so also this one we should write this one in a column form. So to write vector Q in column form, say that it is vector OQ, okay, which is equal to negative 3, 1 like this, meaning we have converted these coordinates in column form. So now we are saying that express vector PQ as a column form. So we want us to find vector PQ, or to express vector PQ in column form. Now we can see that we have this arrow that is here. Okay, so since we have this arrow, we can see that this arrow is starting from where? It is starting from P, and where is it going to? It is going to Q. We should say that we should say that where we are going, where are we going? We are going to point Q. Okay, so point Q, which is the same as the OQ. So it is where we are going. Take away where we are coming from. Where are we coming from? Where is this arrow coming from? It's coming from P, which is the same as the vector OP. Now let us substitute what we have. What is OP? What is OQ? I mean, OQ is negative 3. We have 1 minus. What is OP? OP, we can see here that we have 2, 4 like this. Now let us work out this. So what is negative 3 minus 2? Negative 3 minus 2 to give us negative 5. What is 1 minus 4? That is negative 3. So this is vector PQ. So vector PQ is negative 5, negative 3. Now let us also go to question number 2. So question number 2, you can see it's coming from GCE 2017 Math 1. So we are saying that given that vector A, we can see that vector A is equal to, which is a column vector, is equal to 3, negative 4 like this. Okay, now we should take this first coordinate as the x coordinate, this one as the y coordinate. Now we are told to find the modulus or magnitude of vector A. So the magnitude of any vector is represented by these bars, these. Okay, so which is the formula for calculating the magnitude of any vector is equal to the square root of x squared plus y squared like this. So now at this stage, let us substitute what we have. What is the x value? The x value, we get these 3. Okay, they open and close brackets, then we put 3 inside there, then we square plus, then we open the bracket, where there is y, we put minus 4, then we square it. Okay, so now what is 3 squared? That is 9. What is negative 4 squared? That is 16. Now what is 9 plus 16? That is 25. Okay, what is the square root of 25? It is 5 units. Okay, so the modulus or magnitude of vector A, it is equal to 5 units. So thank you for watching.